Now let's taste it. Mmm. Lovely, fresh, crunchy okra. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Today's recipe is okra salad. My aim is simple, is to bring the taste of the Philippines to the West. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of my salad okra. Okra, onion, vine tomato, cherry tomato, and boiled eggs. Now let's prepare the okra. Now let's get some water on the boil. While waiting for the water to boil, let's trim the okra. Now the water is boiling. Just add the okra. Guys, just boil the okra for 3 minutes so that it will remain crunchy. We just want a nice cooked crispy okra for our okra salad. After 3 minutes, just remove the okra and let it drain. And set aside for 10 minutes. Let it cool down. Now let's prepare the dressing for my okra salad. Here are the ingredients for my salad okra dressing: lemon, soy sauce, olive oil, garlic, chili pepper, ground black pepper, and salt. Squeeze the lemon on top of the strainer. We don't want the seeds in it, guys, so we have to catch the seeds. And now we can add the olive oil, soy sauce, chili pepper. Chili pepper is optional, guys. It's entirely up to you if you want it hot. Okay? Then the garlic. Pinch of salt. And ground black pepper. Now cover the jar tightly. Now let's combine all the ingredients by giving it a good shake. Now let's give it a good shake. And now my dressing is ready. In a bowl, add the onion. Here you go, guys. Lovely. Now we can add the vine tomato. That looks beautiful. Then let's add the cherry tomato. There you are. Now let's add the okra. Gorgeous. I like it filing it nicely in there, guys. There it is. There you are, guys. My okra salad is ready. For those who like protein with their meals, just add eggs. There it is, guys. Now it's time to drizzle the dressing on the top of my okra salad. Spread it lovely. Spread it evenly. There you are, guys. It is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it with steamed rice if you like. Now let's taste my okra salad. Crunchy and delicious. And very healthy for you. I hope you enjoy my okra salad today. And if you like it, then like it. If you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.